Libra Credit White Paper by LBA Foundation February 2018. Access to credit should be hassle-free, real-time and simple. However, traditional financing is channel, products and geographic-specific with onerous processes and outdated systems resulting in long cycle times and increased cost of capital. Heavy reliance on traditional lenders, for example banks, country-centric P2P platforms, does not address future customer needs. That is getting credit when and where they need it and leveraging emerging crypto asset classes as collaterals. Global lending is expected to grow at 14% over the next 5 years, driven by rise in digital ecosystems and technology disruption, making lending to more than 2 billion underbanked population at your fingertips. Given these significant tailwinds, a global open digital platform is needed to shape the future of lending, making it accessible to anyone anywhere. Libra Credit is a decentralized lending ecosystem that facilitates open access to credit anywhere and anytime based on the Ethereum blockchain. The Libra Credit will be launched in July 2018 with crypto-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat lending underpinned by its industry-leading credit management capability and 4 distinctive partnership networks forming a world-class lending ecosystem, encompassing in-house proprietary AI-based credit model, customer acquisition and e-wallet partnership to drive adoption, lenders and stablecoin partnership to drive liquidity, extensive exchange partnership network to minimize default, identity verification partnership network to expedite KYC verification process. Libra Credit is a global initiative with a mission to provide financial inclusion and lower the cost of financial services. The team has a track record in digital credit services across Asia, powered by its proprietary big data, AI-based credit assessment technology and existing global partnership networks. Libra Credit has the expertise and capabilities to realize its mission. To executive summary 2.1 Pain points of existing markets. Despite increased adoption of digital assets, access to credit still remains a challenge for many borrowers. Traditional lending institutions are heavily reliant on outdated credit rating methods which don't take into account new cryptocurrencies and cryptoassets like Bitcoin and Ether. Additionally, even with breakthrough technologies like blockchain, traditional financing is still channel, products and geographic-specific with onerous processes that result in long cycle times and increased cost of capital. These issues not only limit efficient flow of assets, but also ignore a large segment of the market that is underserved by banks. Pain points of traditional credit services. Project background: high barriers to credit services due to limited or unrecognized personal credit data, unsatisfied lending experience due to complicated KYC procedures, long processing times, low application transparency and high borrowing costs 10% globally. World Bank: difficulty in cross-border, cross-currency and cross-time zone lending borrowers, increased lending difficulty due to lack of traditional records of the digital-savvy generation, opportunity cost of uncaptured digital-savvy market segment. Lenders: 3 holders of cryptoassets face challenges today given the limited liquidity and utility of their assets. Pain points of a crypto market. Project background: lack of liquidity and integration into fiat financial service offerings, difficult to convert between digital assets and traditional assets, that is gold, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. Lack of recognition and application as a general payment method asset class, high volatility and speculation with little to no asset backing. Liquidity issues, limited applications. There is a desperate need for a solution that provides safe and convenient credit services accessible for all. 2.2 Market opportunity: the global credit market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 14 divided by 1, 2017 to 2021. Specifically, over 85 divided by 2 of the global credit market is dominated by the secured retail lending market. Favorable market conditions have attracted many new technologies and players to enter this market, popularizing credit alternatives such as peer-to-peer, P2P, lending and digital lending. Project background: 1, 585 1, 193 898 676 509 33% 2017, 2018, E2019 E2020 E2021 E1, 806 1, 379 1, 054 805 615 2017 2018 E2019 E31% 2020 E2021 E global digital lending volume, unsecured, billion US dollars, CAGR cryptocurrency market capitalization billion US dollars, CAGR. Moreover, A paradigm shift in digital adoption has also given rise to alternative asset classes like cryptocurrency. Although not traditionally accepted as collaterals for lending, cryptocurrencies have surpassed $600 billion in market capitalization at the end of 2017. As the market grows, crypto investors demand more use cases for their assets, which are largely unmet by traditional financial institutions. 1. Source: BusinessWire. 2. Source: his database. 5. Project background. Despite continuous growth in global secured retail lending and rise of digital lending, over 2 billion people remain underbanked with little to no access to credit or financial services. Once digital is mainstream among the underbanked, this largely untapped segment will be a significant addition to the credit lending addressable market. 2.3 Why LBA Foundation. LBA Foundation Limited, LBA Foundation, is launching the Libra Credit with the mission Credit for the Real World, devoted to the provision of credit anywhere and anytime. LBA Foundation will build a secure, convenient and globally inclusive financial services ecosystem. In light of the opportunities presented in distinctive markets, a network solution will be key in unlocking the value of existing geographic and functional solutions. Our team of financial services veterans and blockchain technologists have a proven track record in building payments, retail lending and risk management solutions. In the past 5 years, the team has achieved the following remarkable milestones in Asia: adopted machine learning to provide full loan cycle monitoring and feedback, launched the first in-game credit payment service Play Now, Pay Later in China 2012-2015, accumulated 33 paying users 2016, established payday lending business in China 2017.11, payday loan book value of US $850 million with only 3.5% default rate 2017.12, entered Indonesia cash loan market and accumulated 17K consumers in 1 month 2015.9, adopted big data technology, enabled real-time streaming based on Apache Spark and Hadoop, incorporate web crawler for additional risk insights, adopted graph computing for community grouping and anomaly detection 2017, 1, 2017, 2, 2017, 3, denotes technical milestone, denotes business milestone 6.3, source, management estimate Libra Credit 3.1 Our business model: customer acquisition and wallet partnership network, Libra Credit platform, diversified collateral pool lender and stablecoin partnership network, exchange and custodian partnership network, identity verification partnership network, borrower access to potential borrowers and loan disbursement, provides credit assessment data and acts as guarantor, provide identity verification data, facilitate liquidity and safeguard collaterals, crypto lender, fiat lender. Key highlights, extensive network partnerships completely covering the lending value chain, AI-based dual credit risk assessment computation featuring a collateral-based assessment and an individual credit scoring, multiple sources and use of funding facilitating fiat hedging and liquidity needs, Readcoin, Uport, Telcoin, borrower B, borrower C, borrower D, professional investors, stablecoin, a bank's funds, travel applications, e-commerce applications, wallet, other consumer apps. 1 2 3 4 3 1 1 The Libra Credit. 7 Libra Credit. To address the pain points of both markets, we are launching the Libra Credit, a decentralized lending ecosystem that facilitates open access to credit anywhere and anytime. In July 2018, the Libra Credit aims to facilitate global crypto-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat lending, subject to regulatory approval, for borrowers. To improve acceptance and drive adoption, initially we will act as the loan guarantor for financial institutions, that is banks, funds, etc., and private investors, that is HNWI, crypto community. Crypto assets will then be released directly from our lender and stablecoin partnership network to borrowers. Key highlights of our business model are shown as below. 1. Extensive partnership networks, collaborating with partners in both crypto and financial markets. Synergies with crypto exchanges, stablecoin providers, for example MakerDAO, third-party identity verification providers, for example Uport, and financial institutions, for example banks, reinforcing Libra Credit while delivering value for our partners. 2. Proprietary AI-based credit assessment framework, in-house risk management technology which has been deployed in China and the ASEAN market successfully. Pioneer in digital credit services, leveraging a dual credit assessment framework that considers the collateral viability and borrower credit score. 3. Flexibility for participants, crypto to fiat loan, allowing collateralization of cryptocurrencies to spend fiat without sacrificing their current crypto position. Crypto 2 stablecoin loans enable borrowers to hedge price volatility without exiting. Crypto 2. Crypto lending allowing borrowers to pledge other alternate tokens for more mainstream cryptocurrencies, that is BTCF, with better liquidity. 8.2. Identity Verification Partnership Network. LibreCredit can manage the KYC identity verification process of new borrowers quickly and securely through our Identity Verification Partnership Network. Our mutually synergistic credit information network generates large amounts of credit data per day. Interested parties, that is vendors, regulators and financial institutions, may leverage our anonymized data to perform activities such as data analytics, credit scoring, customer behavioral monitoring and much more. At the same time, we will have access to the information systems of our partners, allowing us to constantly refine and enhance our verification process. Our partnership network can access the platform and data through open APIs that will be available to Libra community members for a fee. LibreCredit Platform. The LibreCredit platform focuses on a dual credit risk scoring mechanism that takes into account of both the creditworthiness of the pledged collateral, as well as the individual credit information of the borrower. Borrowers may pledge any crypto assets as collateral and receive loans in their desired asset through smart contracts and our own proprietary collateral valuation and liquidation system. LibreCredit will lock in agreed terms between borrowers, lenders, custodians, guarantors and liquidators. The platform pulls together an ecosystem of 4 different types of partnership networks, as outlined below. 2.1. Customer Acquisition and E-Wallet Partnership Network. The Customer Acquisition Partnership Network can help the LibreCredit drive adoption and scalability. Lending applications and e-wallets provide a multitude of acquisition channels for LibreCredit to obtain its customers. Our lending application partners can facilitate liquidity for its end users through the LibreCredit. Examples would be travel applications, that is, crypto holders can obtain fiat lending for trip payment, and e-commerce applications, that is, fiat lending for purchasing advance. On the other hand, the LibreCredit can drive trade volume for e-wallet networks through our loan disbursement needs. 9. As LibreCredit scales, each of the following partner network components will be developed to assume the following roles. LibreCredit 10.4. Exchange and Custodian Partnership Network. Our exchange partnerships, for example Radar Relay and DDEX, serves the role of providing crypto market liquidity and flexibility for the network. Borrowers can go through the LibreCredit to get the best rates offered to us exclusively for their crypto investments. At the same time, the LibreCredit will have full access and support in the case that collaterals in our possession have to be immediately liquidated. 3. Lender and Stablecoin Partnership Network. Lenders and stablecoin providers are essential to our network since they can supply liquidity, hedge risk and enable the reinvestment needs of our borrowers. Fiat lenders such as banks, funds and other financial institutions can satisfy cash turnover needs of crypto holders, that is payday loans, while stablecoin providers enable crypto holders to hedge the volatility of their portfolio. Lastly, crypto-to-crypto lenders, that is crypto funds, private investors, can lend tokens or other cryptocurrencies to institutions and crypto users. For example, institutions with large holdings of proprietary tokens can borrow BTC or ETH to fund their operations. The LibreCredit offers a quick and seamless digital lending process that can be completed online or in a mobile application in 5 easy steps. Here is an illustrative example of a Crypto 2 fiat loan on LibreCredit. Assume that Bob, a LBA community member and ZIS token holder, wants to pledge ZIS tokens for a 30-day loan in US dollars, USD. Step 2. Verification and Credit Assessment. LibreCredit verifies the borrower's identity after the application is submitted. In particular, to obtain more authorized and verified data of Bob, LibreCredit may make selective disclosure requests to verification partners. For example, Uport. Users with existing identity management accounts at supported platforms may be able to bypass the KYC process. Once verified, an automated real-time credit assessment is conducted by our proprietary big data and AI-based credit assessment engine. Based on Bob's credit score and collateral grade, LibreCredit will generate corresponding loan terms. Sample loan terms. Sample approved terms. Collateral. ZIS token, S, are accepted collateral to loan, CTL, ratio 125%, interest rate 12%, payment frequency weekly. LibreCredit 11. Application verification and credit assessment notification and confirmation. Collateral deposit disbursement. Step 1. Application. As a LBA token holder and platform member, Bob fills in an online mobile loan application form and submit digital documents, if required, to the Libra Credit 3. 1. 2 selected use cases. Libra Credit Step 3. Notification and confirmation. Bob will be instantly notified via app, SMS or email of the final loan terms in which he can immediately accept with simply one click. Step 4. Collateral deposit. Bob's ZIS token is deposited into Libra Credit's e-wallet or exchange partners. Depending on borrower's preference, the collaterals will be securely stored for the entire loan period. Step 5. Disbursement. USD will be instantly deposited from the lender's wallet to Bob's. 4. If Bob chooses to receive the loan in his digital wallet, for example Alipay, WeChat Pay, the whole process will be completed within minutes. 5. If Bob prefers a bank account deposit, 1 working day will be required for loan disbursement. 6. This is significantly faster than most digital lenders that require days, and traditional lending institutions which require at least 2 to 4 weeks to process. During the loan period, Bob makes weekly payments or any other frequency approved by Libra Credit. When the loan is repaid, Bob's ZIS token is returned. Risk handling mechanism. Maintaining the margin. Cryptocurrencies pledged as collateral may drop in value during a loan period, causing a decrease in the CTL ratio. If the CTL ratio falls past a threshold, minimum maintenance margin, a margin call will be triggered. In Bob's case, if ZIS suddenly drops 10% in value, Bob's CTL ratio will decrease to 112.5%. 12.4. We assume that the electronic wallet will be able to store both fiat and cryptocurrencies. 5. Depending on regulatory approval, applicant's profile and server speed. 6. Subject to the regulatory approval and efficiency of banks. Libra Credit, since it is lower than the minimum maintenance margin of 125% required by Libra Credit, a margin call to Bob is triggered by the smart contract. This will inform him via app notification, SMS or email to either deposit additional ZIS tokens or equivalent LBA tokens or make a loan payment to meet the maintenance margin at 125%. Bob will be given enough time to meet the maintenance margin subject to the velocity of the ZIS token value. The quicker the price drops, the shorter the time Bob has to respond. Default. If Bob is unable or unwilling to meet the minimum maintenance margin during his allocated time, the Libra Credit will initiate an automated liquidation of Bob's assets. All liquidated assets will be used for loan repayment and minimum margin maintenance. In this example, 44.4% of Bob's ZIS will be sold and the CTL ratio will return to 125%. Incremental liquidation will occur if ZIS continues to depreciate in the future. Similarly, in a Crypto 2 stablecoin lending, all steps remain the same except disbursement. Step 5. Instead of fiat distribution, stablecoins, for example DAI from MakerDAO, will be deposited directly to borrower's e-wallet. During the loan period, borrowers need to repay stablecoins, for example DAI, in agreed frequency, and when the value of collaterals drops, borrowers need to deposit more collaterals or make stablecoin repayments. 13. Libra Credit compared to existing digital lending models. Libra Credit differentiates itself in diversified sources of funding, proprietary collateral-based assessment, in-house crypto exchange. Name, ticker, Libra Credit, LBA, SALT, CoinLoan, CLT, Everix, EVX, ETH Lend. Business model: decentralized lending ecosystem, decentralized lending platform, decentralized lending platform, decentralized lending platform, decentralized lending platform. Type of services: secured crypto to fiat crypto loan, ultimately for all asset classes. Secured crypto to fiat or crypto to crypto loan, secured crypto to fiat loan, secured asset transfer, borrow and remittance, secured crypto to fiat loan. Source of funding: stablecoin partners, for example MakerDAO, financial institutions and private investors. P2P network of lenders, P2P network of lenders, self-funded P2P network of lenders. Experience in lending services: yes, with 33 MN customers and loan book value $850 MN plus. Yes no collateral based assessment. 7 yes no number. Third party data partnerships: yes no yes. Liquidity networks, partnerships and in-house partnerships. 14. 3. 1. 3. Competitive advantage. 7. Incorporates both individual credit score and collateral grade in the assessment. Libra Credit stakeholders: key benefits, crypto investors, alternative channel for crypto, financial asset conversion, global access to all asset classes, reinvestment opportunities through margin lending borrowers, easy access to credit services, 24/7 application and instantaneous approval lenders, crypto market exposure with lower risks, significant reduction in cost of loan monitoring, reduced reporting efforts with single source of truth. E-wallet partners, additional product service use cases which will improve customer satisfaction and thus customer loyalty. Customer base expansion and potential income enhancement with expanded fund flows. Exchange partners, increased trading volume and trading fee income, enhanced liquidity depth on top of the existing order book, which drives additional customer acquisition. Stablecoin partners, additional use cases, for example crypto lending, and real-life application of its product and service offerings, help to drive adoption, for example increased stablecoin supply with more underlying assets, and circulation of the stablecoin verification data. Provider partners, additional data subscription fee income, access to on-chain credit and transaction data from the emerging digital crypto world. If platform users authorize data sharing, synergies created through joint modeling, for example enhanced credit modeling and data sourcing capability. 15.3.1. 4 key benefits. Libra Credit ALBA token will be issued through an initial coin offering, ICO, to serve the following purposes on the Libra Credit membership platform. Access fee, allowing borrowers to submit loan application, transactions medium of exchange on the Libra Credit. For example, service fee will be charged for every successful transaction. Rewards token rewards are granted to stakeholders in the case of the following: service, developers that contribute to development for their services, and referral, successful introductions of other lenders to the Libra Credit. Governance. Any LBA token holder comprises of the Libra community which governs the network by platform development planning. Vote on specific projects proposals to facilitate platform technology development. 16.3.1. 5. The LBA token are technology open API plugin exchange network, for example Radar Relay and DDEX. Libra lending platform Ethereum blockchain. Additional data stored on off-chain behavioral interaction, applicant profile, credit portal and web crawler input streaming and map reduce computation credit model and collateral grade assessed AI. Based credit assessment framework. 1. Retail lending smart contract. 2. Joint open access modeling, credit market data, analysis and rating, data analytics, credit scoring and lending behavioral monitoring, other services and products. Integration gateway. Stablecoin providers, for example MakerDAO, eWallet and Exchange Open API. Third-party identification data providers, that is Uport, B1AC, D1, B2, D2, B3. Third-party LBA token holders. The technical infrastructure of the Libra Credit comprises of 4 major components including A. Libra Lending Platform. B. Partnership Network Access Integration. C. AI Credit Assessment Engine. D. Smart contract suites built on Ethereum blockchain. 17.3.2. Our technology. A Libra lending platform. The Libra lending platform is a front-end user interface allowing token holders to access the network through their mobile application. A developed mobile application is already in testing to facilitate crypto-to-crypto loans, from left to right, credit application, pledge crypto collateral, stablecoin deposit receipt, to facilitate efficient asset exchange and bring in crypto providers. A separate integration gateway is built to connect the Libra lending platform with exchange network, for example Radar Relay and DDEX, and stablecoin providers, for example MakerDAO, for exchange networks and stablecoin providers. Integration details, please refer to B1. 18. Our technology. B. Partnership network access integration. In order for the Libra Credit to operate as a full ecosystem, our partnership networks have to be properly integrated. To ensure quality and contribution of our various partnership networks, the information flow in and out of the Libra Credit will be governed by our joint modeling and open data smart contract detailed in D smart contract suites. B1. Exchange networks and stablecoin providers are exchange partnership networks, for example Radar Relay and DDEX, and stablecoin providers, that is MakerDAO, are connected through an integration gateway identified as B1. In particular, stablecoin providers can be programmed using Web3.js and Infura. Below is a demonstration of an integration call sequence with MakerDAO, Libra Credit and MakerDAO operation flow. 1. Borrower pledges crypto to borrow MakerDAO stablecoin DAI. 2. Libra Credit platform opens an account with MakerDAO and pledges ETH as collateral. MakerDAO only accepts ETH. 3. MakerDAO transfers DAI to Libra Credit platform. 4. DAI is disbursed from Libra Credit platform to borrower. 5. DAI is repaid from borrower to Libra Credit platform. 6. Libra Credit Platform returns the required I and closes the account with MakerDAO. Libra Lending Platform 14523 Borrowers 619 Our technology. In addition, Libra Credit can integrate with 0x protocol-based decentralized exchanges, DEX, to approve access to standard ERC20 collateral token. A demonstration of an integration call sequence with 0x-based DEX, for example Radar Relay and DDEX, is shown below. Libra Credit and 0x-based DEX, for example Radar Relay and DDEX. Operation flow. 1. LBA borrower creates a loan request with ERC20 collateral token for stable token at agreed terms. 2. LBA borrower sends loan request to Libra Credit and makes ERC20 collateral deposit. 3. Once the loan request is approved, Libra Credit will forward this request in the form of a 0x exchange order to DEX Taker. 4. DEX Taker approves the request and accesses its balance of stable token. 5. DEX Taker then submits the Libra signed order to DEX partners such as Radar Relay and DDEX. 6. DEX partners will authenticate Libra's signature, verifies that the order has not expired, verified that the order has not already been filled, and then transfers the collateral token into stable token. 7. DEX partners, for example Radar Relay and DDEX, send stable token to Libra Credit. 8. Libra Credit disperses the stable token to borrowers 1. 2. Libra Credit Network Ethereum Blockchain 3 0x-based DEX, for example Radar Relay and DDEX, DEX Taker stable token. 4. 5. Collateral token 6. 6. 7. 8. 20. Our technology. B2. Open APIs for e-wallet partnership network. E-wallet partners can be used natively by borrowers to store and transfer their cryptocurrencies and fiat, depending on compatibility, with the best possible rate the Libra Credit can offer. E-wallet partners are connected to the Libra Credit platform through open APIs governed by one of the smart contract suites detailed in the smart contract suites. B3. API plugin with third-party identification data providers to create a faster identity verification process. Third-party providers actively support our credit assessment framework. As shown below, the LBA Uport Selective Disclosure Agreement authorizes Uport's mobile's data request, which is then consolidated with other raw data points collected by Libra Credit for a holistic credit score. LBA App Uport Mobile. LBA App Uport Mobile Selective Disclosure Request. Selective Disclosure Response. Authorize request, allow, disallow. Signed Selective Disclosure Response. Owner 21. Our technology. CAI-based credit assessment framework. The AI-based credit assessment framework leverages raw data from a variety of sources to compute an optimized result for each individual borrower using a proven mathematical algorithm. The result is purely computed mainly based on 2 variables, credit score and collateral grade, as follows. Credit score. A comprehensive persona is created by collecting data from the borrower's mobile application behavior, application profile, social network, banking history and matching entries from credit rating providers. These raw data points are then consolidated and computed using machine learning algorithms consisting of logistic regression modeling, with features extracted from the deep neural network and ensemble learning built using a gradient boosting decision tree, GBDT, architecture. This proven and efficient credit scoring algorithm has enabled Libra Credit to be able to achieve historical loan default rate average of 3.5%. The credit score is computed mathematically as follows. 22. Our technology. Collateral grade. Libra Credit has developed an in-house machine learning algorithm that generates a collateral grade score. The system adopts Web Crawler, a technology that automatically analyzes trading history, GitHub repositories, blockchain explorers, media reports, social network data, speculative information and cryptocurrency forum discussions to form a comprehensive collateral report. By combining our grading system with traditional volatility measures, a collateralization rate, between 0 and 1, is calculated to represent a volatility estimate of the crypto asset, S, pledged by a specific borrower. If the collateralization rate is less than 1, it indicates that the collateral will be valued at a discount. Our deep learning valuation capabilities are tested against historical Bitcoin datasets with a proven statistical significance. The AI-based credit assessment framework directly feeds hash data to the Ethereum mainnet through the Libra Credit DApp, D23 Ethereum blockchain interaction and smart contract suites. The Libra Credit leverages the Ethereum blockchain to facilitate 2 major types of smart contracts, retail lending and joint open access modeling, to optimize storage efficiency, cost and speed. Other information such as customer profile and loan detail data is stored with encryption off-chain on D2 with Interplanetary File System (IPFS) protocol. Our technology LibreCredit Smart Contract Suite on Ethereum features the following. 1. Retail Lending Smart Contract Suite. The Retail Lending Smart Contract is coded in a manner that simultaneously combats market volatility while stabilizing the pledged collateral. The Retail Lending Smart Contract adopts the features of Alert Watermark Guard, ALL, a layered mechanism that stabilizes the asset liquidity and collection effectiveness in the case that a borrower defaults on his/her loan, paired with Smart Automated Reaction, SAR. The Retail Lending Smart Contract can be automatically triggered to perform hedging against systematic risks. ALL and SAR works together as follows. Define our loan, initial collateral to loan, CTL, ratio, 150% 130% depending on specific collateral and borrower credit score. RMIN, minimum CTL ratio when a margin call is triggered, 110% to reduce loan risk. RAlert, CTL ratio between our loan and RMIN where automated reactions to market movement will intervene if enabled by borrowers. Larger RAlert means more responsive reactions. Collateral value increase. Current CTL would increase and borrower can withdraw some collateral. Withdrawal is limited during the entire loan span. Must maintain our loan. Collateral value decrease. Response is dependent on predefined strategy and current CTL. For example, borrower can choose to enable or disable SAR with respect to his/her own risk preference. 24-hour technology alert watermark guard algorithm. Repeat this routine at a predefined interval, 10 minutes for each outstanding loan. R equals current CTL. If R equals RMIN, then emergency margin call to add collateral or collateral auction to keep R equals our loan. Else if R equals our loan, then borrower could partially withdraw collateral and maintain R equals our loan. Else if RMIN or alert. Note 1. SAR only takes effect within predefined end days before repayment due date. For example, N equals 7. Larger N usually means more responsive SAR. Note 2. If the borrower defaults, an add-on fee will be added to final amount due and additional collateral may be automatically deducted too. Joint Open Access Modeling Smart Contract Suite. Open Data Smart Contract. Third parties, that is financial institutions, regulators, etc. may access through Open API plugins governed by the Open Data Smart Contract. The smart contract is open source and built with a standard application blockchain interface, ABCI, that enables connected parties to share and query data on-chain. All data on the system is processed and verified to ensure regulatory compliance. Data query volumes are strictly limited dependent on previously contributed data. An experimental code snippet for the Open Data Smart Contract is attached to the appendix for reference. 25. Our technology joint modeling. To effectively manage risk regarding third-party access, LibreCredit will adopt a holistic solution involving joint modeling with other data providers, data labelers and modeling hackers. A smart scoring contract will be developed covering all aspects of the risk evaluation lifecycle. Additional risk is managed using validation tests, whereby A/B tests, split testing, and champion challenges will be conducted before any third party can participate in joint modeling on the main chain. In addition to synergies generated for both parties using joint modeling, outstanding contributors will be rewarded LBA token S for their participation. 26. Our Team 3.3. Our Team 27. Luhua, co-founder and CEO Payments, Financing and Risk Management Expert, CEO of Mo Credit, China's top digital credit servicing company. Successfully funded by Sequoia Capital, Bertelsmann Asia Investments and Ventic China. PayPal China Head of Core Payments, led and managed Card Association and Banking Infrastructure and Partnerships. PayPal US Head of Global Banking Platform, led Global Card Association and Banking Infrastructure and Partnerships. Dan Shat, co-founder and COO FinTech and Payments Expert, Chief Commercial Officer at Stockpile Inc., a leading fintech company invested by Sequoia Capital, Fidelity Investments, 8 Roads Ventures, Arbor and Mayfield Funds, and Ashton Kutcher, General Manager of Financial Innovations at PayPal. Howard Wu, Chief Scientist, Blockchain and Cryptography Expert, Managing Partner of Decrypt Capital, a blockchain investment firm with an emphasis on privacy-preserving protocols, and Early-Stage Ventures Advisor of Blockchain at Berkeley, a university-based ecosystem for blockchain, and specializes in educating the community and helping companies benefit from blockchain technology. Software engineer of Google, Master in Electrical Engineering and Computer Sciences in UC Berkeley, Bachelor's degree in Computer Science and Applied Mathematics in UC Berkeley. 28 Artine Kenneth O., Advisor, Legal and Regulatory Expert, Senior Partner with Dentons Roddick and Davidson's Corporate Practice. 20 years of legal advisory experience in venture capital, private equity, IPO token sales and post-IPO token sale funding, as well as M&A. Shuajijo, Advisor, Experienced Crypto Hedge Fund Manager in Asia, Founding Partner of FBG Capital, a leading digital asset management firm in blockchain-based capital market, early investor of a broad spectrum of blockchain companies, accumulated extensive experience in digital assets trading and investment. Xiaochang Zhang, Advisor, CEO of Danhua Capital, Stanford University tenured Professor of Physics, Electrical Engineering and Applied Physics Development Roadmap 2017 Q4 Libra Credit Idea Generation 2018 Q2 2018 Q3 2018 Q4 2019 2020 LBA Token Sale and Token Activation Libra Credit Platform, Desktop Version, launched for crypto-to-crypto fiat lending. Libra Credit Mobile App launched. Other digital asset to crypto fiat lending enabled with extended partnership networks. Achieved milestone. Key milestones to be achieved: digital financial physical asset to crypto fiat lending enabled with global partnership networks. 29 definitions. Term definition: A/B test, a form of statistical hypothesis testing, or 2. Sample hypothesis testing for validation purposes. Advisors, people and organizations who provide professional advice and expertise relating to credit services or the token sale. AI, artificial intelligence developed by machines when cognitive functions of humans are mimicked. Application programming interface, API, a set of clearly defined methods of communication between various software components. Application blockchain interface, ABCI, application interfaces that allows the sharing of blockchain data. Backers, the people and organizations that will help adopt and advocate the use of the Libra Credit Bonus Extra LBA issued for early bird token purchasers. Decentralized application, DApp, a protocol that allows a private program to be built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Diversified collateral pool, accumulation of collaterals with different asset classes, that is cryptocurrencies, gold, etc., forming a diversified pool of collaterals. ERC20 Ethereum token standard is published at https://github.com/ethereum/eips/issues/20 e-wallet, electronic wallet that is able to store cryptocurrencies. GitHub, a web-based hosting service for revision control. Guarantor, person or firm that endorses a third-party agreement to guarantee the promises made by the borrower to the lender will be fulfilled, and assumes liability if the borrower fails to fulfill them. Initial coin offering, ICO, a means of crowdfunding which centers around cryptocurrency to get capital integration. Gateway, a service that allows connection with different backends, for example Libra lending platform and stablecoin providers, to ensure asset exchange. 30 definitions. Term definition: IPFS, a protocol and eponymous network designed to create a content addressable, peer-to-peer method of storing and sharing hypermedia in a distributed file system. Kite, know your customer process. LBA Foundation, a fintech company incorporated in Singapore. LBA token, the token issued through an initial coin offering, ICO, to serve the purpose of accessing, transacting, rewarding and governing on Libra Credit. Libra Community, LBA token holders automatically form the community. Libra Credit, the first holistic, blockchain-based ecosystem that facilitates open access to credit in any form, including cryptocurrency lock-up period, a predetermined amount of time following an initial coin offering where investors representing considerable ownerships are restricted from selling their shares. Margin call in the case of a sharp LBA coin's depreciation. LBA informs the lender either to deposit more LBA coins or repay the loan so that the account is brought up to the minimum maintenance level, to maintain the CLT ratio, OTC over-the-counter trading, where a transaction occurs directly between two parties without involving an exchange. Smart contract, self-executing contracts with terms of agreement. Embedded stablecoin, cryptocurrencies with stable value. Streaming computation and MapReduce computation, programming computational model that involves possessing one item at a time and generating big data sets, with a parallel, distributed algorithm on a cluster. Token sale, LBA token private sale and public sale white paper. This white paper issued by LBA Foundation